Hello everyone, this is Sean here, and in this video I'll be filming the replaced IFE elevator at block 30 Balam Road. If I'm not wrong, it serves all floors, unlike the previous Fujitech. What? Only 8? I thought it goes up to 10, 9, 10, isn't it? Going up. Okay, the wooden interior, a bit cringe.
Story 8.
Story 8. Look, this elevator only goes up 8, and all this, you can go up all the way to 10. Bruh. Okay, that's right. What the hell? Bro, why is it even pointing up? It can't even go any further up. It only stops at 8. Look! It didn't even bother shifting the motor up, which is very stupid in my opinion. Okay, let's go down to 1. Going down. Okay, the only advantage I can see from this elevator
Story 1
would be that it has loud announcements and has quite strong ventilators. Okay, and that is the end of my video. Bye everyone, have an awesome day, evening or night. Thank you for watching this video.